This 2021 Cruiser RV Radiance Ultra-Lite R30DS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used cruiser RV is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, skylight, slide-out, auxiliary battery, LP detector, refrigerator, water heater, DVD player, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Cruiser RV Radiance Ultra-Lite R30DS is 7,160 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.